T, guess what?
What?
It's time to rock.
Oh God.
What's up, guys? It's T and K. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Arc Ultra Soundbar, a sound system that promises to take your home entertainment to the next level.
But the real question is it worth the hype? Or is this just another overpriced speaker?
I'm so excited. I'm upgrading from the previous gen, the Arc. Initially, just a regular Arc. I had that for a couple of months. No subwoofer or anything, just had it for a couple of months. And now I got the Arc Ultra, which she gets to keep my original Arc.
Mine.
We will tell you about the differences and if you should upgrade to the Arc Ultra or just keep your original Arc. I got the Arc Ultra because she's getting my regular Arc. So that's that.
Works out for me.
All right, first things first. This bad boy is sleek.
It's definitely a premium look. It's got a super slim profile, so it won't take up too much space. Whether you put it on a TV stand or mount it on the wall.
And I love that it has touch controls on top. Super smooth, no clunky buttons.
Setup is easy. It only comes with an HDMI cord, a power cord, and instructions. And that's it. But let's be real. No one buys a soundbar just for the looks. It's all about the sound.
All right, we're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna play an action scene from Venom: The Last Dance on Netflix. It just came out, and see if this thing delivers.
Hopefully we don't get copyrighted.
Okay, we've got this. Soft landing. Bend your knee. Engage your core.
I can hear it.
Engage your core. Oh, yes, that's it. Yes, that's it. Well done.
This actually feels good.
It really does.
It feels good.
This is not New York. No, this is wasteland.
I detected passive regression.
You can feel Venom's bass.
The deepness, yeah.
Yeah.
His voice.
And we don't even have a subwoofer.
It was an Airbus A320.
This actually has better bass than Sonos Arc.
Whoa, that bass was crazy.
I know, the sound is so clear, you can hear every detail.
Syllables and all.
Now we're trying Craven on Netflix.
I felt that hit.
Oh, this is playing music. But yeah, we're playing Craven. Never saw this movie yet.
Nope.
Heard it was so bad. It looks bad.
Just for the sound.
Just for the sound. All right.
Okay, so for music, this thing slaps. But what about dialogue?
3,402 people died on 0 day.
Absolute nationwide terror.
Sonos Arc Ultra is a high-end, all-in-one Dolby Atmos soundbar featuring a 9.1.4 channel configuration, a new sound motion woofer for enhanced bass. It also has voice controls.
Hey Sonos, make me a sandwich. Please?
Silly. The Arc Ultra is good, but not that good. It won't make you a sandwich.
At least it has the Bluetooth pairing and it can play my music playlist without any annoying problems, and it connects super quick.
All right, let's break it down. What do we love about the Arc Ultra Soundbar? Amazing sound quality, deep bass and crisp dialogue, sleek design, and multiple connectivity options.
And what's not so great, a little pricey, no HDMI pass-through, no built-in subwoofer, but bass is still solid.
So final thoughts, should you buy the Arc Ultra Soundbar?
If you want cinema quality sound in your living room, then yes, 100% yes.
But if you're on a budget, you might want to check out some cheaper alternatives.
So like I said before, guys, I had the original Arc.
Which is not mine.
I had it for a good while to get a good gist of it. And I could immediately tell you, after hearing the Arc Ultra, after even for like 5 minutes, I immediately felt a difference. Immediately.
It is. It's a big difference.
With the original Arc, in my personal opinion, with the original Arc, I felt like you kind of needed a subwoofer. But with this one, I kind of feel like you might not really need it. I feel like maybe,
It has its own level of bass to it.
yeah, it feels kind of good to me. And that's just default settings. I didn't even tweak it yet. That's good. Because once I tweak it and hit the right settings, it's probably going to sound even better. So what are your comparisons to the original Arc and the Arc Ultra? How different does it sound to you?
Very. For instance, I mean, it's the crispness, you know, it's so sharp. You know, you can hear people are hitting letters. I was like, well, oh, wow, he hit that as sharp, you know? It's like really, really, you can tell the quality of hearing is different.
Yeah.
You know?
It sounds crisp.
Very.
Yeah.
Like to a T. You know, and it's like, it's two worlds, it's so different. You know? Now I can't imagine watching regular TV without one of these things.
Without what?
One of these sound bars.
Yeah.
You know? It's gonna sound so odd listening to basic, just regular monotone TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't go back.
I definitely enjoy it. Like I said, I'm a satisfied person for receiving the Arc Ultra. I appreciate it. I enjoy it. Like, it hits me just right. So I can only imagine, guys, if you have the sub 4 and the 2 rears, the Sonos 300, the Era 300s, guys, if you have that, let me know. But let me know if you upgraded to it, not if you just have it all at once. Let me know, because if it's that much of a difference, should we invest in getting a sub 4 and the Eras, or should we just get a sub 4? Let us know in the comments down below. Tell us your setup.
Yeah,
Let us know.
We're interested.
Yeah.
We're really interested. I need a woofer, a sub 4. I need that. You know what I mean? Just because I like to feel, you know, I want my chest to move.
You want to be rumbling in there.
I want, yeah.
All right.
I like that.
Yeah, that's cool.
I like that. Do you recommend upgrading from the original Arc to the Arc Ultra?
No, I don't. Unless it's in your budget and you just got money to spend. You just got them dollars to spend. Then yeah, I guess if you have them dollars to spend. But I don't think the jump is that big from the original Arc. I don't think it's that big. It's noticeable. Yes, it is. It's noticeable.
Yeah.
But I don't think it's like a big jump, leap forward in technology. I will recommend, if you don't have a sound system, no surround sound speakers, nothing, and you looking for something, yes, I would recommend the Arc Ultra. But if you can't get the Arc Ultra, if it's too up there, if it's too pricey, then just get an Arc. Get a regular Arc. The Arc sounds good. I had it for a while and I enjoyed it. It sounds good, right?
Yeah. Now I have it.
I would just recommend, yeah, if you get the original Arc, immediately get yourself a subwoofer, or maybe get some Era 300s. Yeah, if you got the original Arc. But yeah, I would recommend this project. I'm happy. Better question, what do you guys think? Would you get this soundbar? Drop a comment down below.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss our next review.
Ding my dong.
No, you don't.
See you next time. And don't forget to watch us grow.
Let's break it down. What do we love about the Arc Ultra Soundbar. Amazing sound quality, deep bass connectivity. What? Oh, come on. I want to go to bed.